Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love Coco Chanel quotes, and one of my favorites is, "You were born original, don't become a copy." In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about being your own self. As I clean my bedroom in this video, I am going to talk with you about the importance of being yourself. This video is an open collaboration hosted by Southern Roots. I'm going to link her channel as well as the others who participated in this challenge as well. Let's get started. In my opinion, being your true, authentic self, being the person that you were created to be, is the best thing that you can do for yourself. Meaning, let go of the expectations that you hold so tightly, the expectations that others have for you, and embrace that uniqueness that is you. Every single person is different. We all have different DNA. We're all made differently. We're made unique. We're made to be the person that we were meant to be. It takes us a while to grow and understand that it's not about fitting in. It's not about trying to be like other people. It's about embracing that uniqueness that is you. And that is one of the best things that you can do for yourself. Just learning to be yourself. I think that for me, it took getting sick and being in the hospital for a while and seeing things that I had taken advantage of in the past, like just the ability to walk or the ability to do things on my own, for me to truly start embracing being who I was created to be. And before, I was more of a people pleaser. I wanted to be what the people around me wanted to be, or who they thought I should be. And I wanted to please them instead of living my true, authentic self. And one of the things, and why I chose a cleaning video for this, is one of the things that makes me the person that I am and makes me who I am is I love to clean. I unapologetically love to clean. Cleaning for me is therapy. It helps me. When I was hospitalized and I could not walk for a while, it drove me nuts that I did not have the therapy from cleaning. And people used to say to me, "Why are you wasting all your time cleaning when you should be living?" But for me and my uniqueness, cleaning is something that I enjoy doing. It gives me therapy. And so I embrace that now, and I accept that that's just part of who I am, but it may not be part of who you are, and that's okay. And as you learn to embrace yourself and embrace your own uniqueness, it becomes easier for you to understand and relate to other people as well, and to encourage them to express who they really are, because you see how freeing it is to be yourself, and you become more accepting of others. You become more accepting of their point of views. And, I hate that it took me being sick to get to this point because, like I said before, I was always such a people pleaser, always aiming to please, always caring about what other people thought about me. Did I have on the right outfit? Did I look the right way? And instead of just being happy where I was, I always wanted more, and I always wanted to please and impress. And if somebody asked me to do something, even if I did not want to do it, I would say yes. And I would say yes because I wanted them to like me. That was important to me. But over the past couple of years, I have grown and I have changed. And now I understand the importance of being my own unique self, the person that I was created to be, and to shine the light that I have to the world, and for others to shine their light to the world. And that if we don't always agree, that's okay. And if I want to wear something that maybe other people don't like, that's okay too. As long as I'm happy and I'm doing me, that's the best thing, in my opinion, that we can do for ourselves. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, Southern Roots has a fantastic channel. She has been so good to me, so I really wanted to do this collab with her. And I am so close to 1,000. When I get to 1,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. So please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for stopping in today. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.